Part 5.5 video has started. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go home. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Louder. Better first. There we go. Now let's go. Let's go back. By to the pyramid. We'll get you back later. What is your senses again? I mean, no, come on, not your senses again. It better not be too dangerous, or else we'll defeat Mr. Sun. Yeah, for what he did to us. I'm gonna pay Mr. Sun speak me. Yes, he offered me a lot. What's bro? No, what about him? They used to be me too a lot. That's why we got arrested from Pine Cup, but we escaped by Garno. Thanks to you, Garno. Real thanks to you. Thank you, Garno. You're welcome. Fun. That's my pleasure thing to escape. And I killed Pine Cop, so he's safe, so he won't arrest you again. But this time, he's still gonna arrest me. Oh no! No gaps, because the Ep5 is sick. I'll be arrested. Ah, the mouse! That's just a bunny. A little bunny. I'm staying on Garno's head. Hey, get off my head. Come on. Ugh. Come on, watch it. Come on, Earth. Let's go home. Yeah. Oh, I hope we'll get lucky. Oh, I hope we'll get lucky tomorrow. And let's go. Yeah, let's go home. Yeah, press the destruct button. Because I might. Ah, buddy! Alright, that was a close one. Good one, Darpo. Yeah, you're welcome, Darpo. You're a fun boy. Can we go to Shurka? Nope, it's once. It sounds like we're going to Shurka. No. Oh, what? Alright. I'm sorry, Picky. Well, yes. I do. Dead end again. Yeah, but that's a shortcut for real. Actually, I want to know. I hate shortcuts. Shortcuts are not my favorite. Because I want to swim into the side so we can get back to the shore. To get back to the shore, this is our land right there. And I know how to get there. It's my boat. Yeah, I made a legendary. Colonel. Why? I made a legendary for all of them. Fine. We're back to the shore. Yeah, let's go. This is the point that we went for, but we moved. Yeah, we moved to right there. So let's go. Yay. No! What did I break? Oh, I break the oh. Terracotta. Terracotta. We're gonna fix it. Back to normal balance. Bye, balance. I hope you're beautiful. Homes, land, sweet land. We mean home, sweet home. Yeah, this is the place that we went. And there's the portal. That takes me home. That takes us home. Yeah, that's why we're going home. It went up to the jail because I killed God, Pine Cop, and the jail just disappeared by itself. So I did it. Alright, Pinky, I'm so proud of you. I wish I could live with you. Live with me? Okay, my dear. Man, just go. Oh, no! Not this graveyard again. No, not this graveyard again. Yeah, that's gravel. But it's okay. It's just Llama! Hello, Llama. Okay. What did I say there? Llama! Oh boy, it's creeping me out. My llama for something. Now let's go home to the portal. Alright. I still hear my sister from earlier because whoa, what? That means Black is in here. Oh no. Don't tell me! No! Mr. Sun don't have any powers! But this one is in here! I cannot let him do that. Yeah. Wait, where's Bread? Until we go there, can we just... Yeah, we just let's go home. I got you guys here. I know, you called us. And me. Oh, Jabba, you come back for me. And the Pickerton. It's a Jabba. I see you, Pat Jabba. But we're going home, so I'm not gonna miss you, Jabba. Guys. And it's half moon. That means it's going the opposite way. Just like earlier in part 5 video. Spiders and zombies! I hate monsters. Why do you say that? I'm gonna kill you. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Then don't treat me. Don't treat us so good, so I'll go. Sure enough, of course one. I got a little bad feeling about there. Not a bad feeling about it. Yellow wax. Oh. Well, can we just go home? Yeah. I just want to go home. Right, Brad. We just have to go home. Wait. Before fun monster says, I'll stay in here. Yeah. It works. Nah. Oh no, delete it. But I put gone. I don't know where they up to. They still in Minecraft, you know. Yeah, I'm not going. Mr. Sun. Actually, I want Black to destroy Minecraft because Minecraft is the worst thing ever because they got Beamer. And Picky says they got escaped. Wait, they escaped. Not for long. Actually, wait, Pine Cop is there. Why did she push Pine Cop and then she just killed? How do you know? I saw on my phone. I saw on my son tablet. Son tablet because son tablet. Just because she uploaded the loop. The Caleb misses because Caleb uploaded the new video. It's called Durable Wax Blood. Piggy are coming to save us. No, I won't have to do that. I want black. I just saw it black. Wait, no, why did I say that? No! Decide to join me, right? I like destroying Minecraft. This is so black. I don't know what you understand. Oh no. Mr. Fun Computer, no, fun buddy Darnold. Not my best friend Wax. And not my best friend Bud. Not my boyfriend Bud, Wax. And not my best friend Bud. We play Roblox together. Not Darnold. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah. Oh, it's 7? Yeah. Ha ha ha. I'm going in. I'm going in. Wait, save. Oh no! No! I mean, nope. I'm not missing anything. I'm not. Okay. Wait. No. Bottom Black's maximum cage. God. Oh no, not Black. I don't want this to be forever. About whole fucking. No, not Black. No. What? Oh no! Wait, this is the Black's coming! And I just do it again. No! This is Minecraft. Hello. Yeah, Jab's back. He's coming over. Yo, pressed him. I saw him spawn. I saw him spawn right there. Jab coming. Not the Pickerton again. Not the X10. Not the X10. X10. Wait, X10. I know. What did he do? Haha. No! Don't press the destroy button. You'll destroy every Minecraft. Not the Jab, not the Pickerton, not the X10. I mean, that's the new thing. We never called X10 before a long time ago. Like, don't you dare destroy Minecraft. Because this is our home. I don't want to destroy Minecraft and these new monsters. Wait, drowned? What do you hear? I'm just going to the land. I want to go back to the water. It's more safety. More safety? I'm just still under the water. How's the Black this? I hope you won't press the destroy button. It says do not press it or else the Minecraft will be destroyed. Stupid monsters. Shut up, monsters. I'm pressing it anyway. Because I like destroying Minecraft. And I don't like Pancop put it here. How do you know? Saw on Caleb's video. Really? Really? Yeah, really, yeah. Oh no! Ha 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 ha. Bye bye. Oops, I'm going back to Minecraft. I'm going back to there. Yes. Yes. Come on, Dad.
Which one you want? Which donut you want?
You want Glades? I want this one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Get a napkin. Here.
It's fine. At least we have Glades left.
No, you're only gonna get one out of this box. You're getting one.
Guys, I got the donut. I got the pink donut. But it's fine. I can still eat it. No! He pressed the destroy button. What's that? Watch out! Oh no! Yeah! That was a cool one. Oh, I'm fine. No, they destroyed Minecraft. Oh no! We have to get out of here. Let's go. Oh no! Fanaria! I ran away. Run away. Wait, Josephine. Run away. Run away. Run away, guys. Ruff. 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 Man, what was that? Man, that was a close one. We got here just in time. Yeah, that's a close one. And the portal just exploded, so Yes, I knew it! No more playing Minecraft. But the scares! They're behind the Sprunkies, but the TNT almost exploded the scares. That was so close. We have to see the sneak peek tomorrow. We have to see the sneak peek later. Well, that was a close one, but I'm sorry for being mean to you guys. I'm sorry, and I didn't mean Pinky to call the cops on you to get arrested. That's all I got. That's why we escaped by my bare robotic hands. Good job. Good job. Thank you, Mrs. Sun. I'll hug you. Well, how'd you hug me? With my robotic things. Because I'm strong of hugging. Before what's time to get... Ow! Wait! We're not gonna get burned. Help! Help! I'm drying! Oh no! I'll give you energy. I'll give you 100% of energy. Back to normal. Thank you, Mrs. Something heating me up. Now I'm cool. I like to give you energy. Yeah, your problem is true. We love you. But yeah, I love you too. Except for Black. But Black always ruins everything. Even he pressed the destruct button too. But we barely made it just in time. We avoid all the TNT. Destruct TNT. The destruct button was crazy. Why would Pinecom did this? At least I killed him because He always puts DESTRUCT buttons on everything because that was a close one. Ha ha ha. Ha! Why'd you say that? Well, bye, Minecraft. See you next time. I mean, a sneak peek video. Haha, my mistake. I'm sorry for being mean, Pinky. And I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that I went to fight you. It's okay. It was on episode 3, part 3. Part 3, yep. Yeah, maybe part 3. Wait, it is part 3. I want episode 6. Go ahead. Yeah, stop pointing. Yeah, stop that pointing. Don't be pointing. Okay, what point? Oh. Well, mission accomplished again. We escape from Minecraft from the destructive TNTs. Yeah, mission accomplished again. Even mission accomplished too. We escaped from the Palms Club jail. Yeah, I knew what you could do it. And guys, if you're in Minecraft, if you are in Minecraft and stuck in the jail, you have to escape with robotic hands. And if someone presses the Sprunki button in Minecraft, then you have to run away to portal without getting killed. Ciao guys. Yeah, bye. And bye. It's my time. Yeah, I miss the fun computer. Yeah, I miss the fun computer. I miss you. Yeah, I miss Garno. I miss FunPa. Yes. Yeah, bye guys. We're gonna have a great time with the fun computer. Yeah, bye guys. Can you let me save for a second? No! At least I saved for now. No. No.